What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at the Cardano price here on the 1 hourly chart. Yesterday, we talked about this head and shoulder pattern formation. If we broke the neckline, the first target would be the $1.50 because it's been major resistance. The supposed measured move is all the way down to the $1.40, but I did say in yesterday's video that we are going to get a bounce here very, very likely at the $1.50, okay? I am still in my long position at 200% in a profit, guys. I told you that we are not going to take profits until $2 because this is the measured move from the breakout of this ascending triangle that we've been talking about now for weeks. Guys, if you are interested in trading, make sure to check out the bonus on Femix, $2,000 of bonus, all depending on what you are going to deposit. The link is in the description. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section. I will help you out. We're also taking a look at Litcoin, okay? Litcoin did fail to break out from the resistance of this huge ascending channel on the logarithmic chart. I'm going to show you how Litcoin is just having a correction in my opinion, and we are going to explode to the upside in the next coming weeks. We're also taking a look at Matic, the scaling solution for Ethereum, okay? Looking extremely bullish. We'll be doing some technical analysis on this also, guys. So stay tuned. Let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. Not financial advisor, don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. All right, zooming in here for the 1 hourly chart for Cardano, guys, we can see that yesterday this played out, okay? Shoulder, head, and shoulder pattern, okay? The bearish scenario played out because I was looking also at this as a potential inverse shoulder, head, and shoulder, okay, forming here, but we came straight back down and the other bearish scenario played out. We came back down. It was really, really fast, okay? This happened in less than an hour. We came back down, retested, bounced from this resistance, this support level at the $1.50, came straight back up inside of this symmetrical triangle. Now, we've broken to the upside. So, you know, guys, let's zoom out to the 4 hourly chart. I've been in a swing trade now for over a week, and you know, I've been saying about this ascending triangle and the measured move. We did have a fake out to the downside, came back in and broke the resistance, and we bounced nicely, as you can see, at the $1.50, which is it's been major resistance. Now it's major support. The measured move from the back here of this symmetrical triangle, guys. This ascending triangle. We've talked about this many times. If you're a new subscriber, it's just so you can see, and we can see that the $2, the conservative target is $2. It's about $2.08, $2.10, the measured move from this breakout. And I did take this trade, okay, right over here. I entered at 155. Just from the breakout, I waited for this pullback. You know, it could have been a fake out because usually when you want to enter is when you break the high here from the breakout, and here you would enter the trade. But I was pretty confident in this trade. I was a little bit more aggressive, so I got into the pullback at $1.55, and I am still in that swing trade, guys. I am going to close part of my position once we hit $2, part of my position or all of my position. So what can we expect now for Cardano? If we go to the 1 hourly chart, we can also see this, you know, as a symmetrical triangle. Okay, and the measured move from this breakout is getting the width here of the symmetrical triangle from the breakout. This is the measured move, which is just above the $2.07. Okay, $2 is conservative. I think it's going to be major resistance. We might break straight through it, or we might get some rejection. But $2 is a conservative target, so we should see Cardano at $2 very, very soon. So I'm just holding my swing trade until we get to $2, guys. We are getting nice support here from this resistance point, okay, from this symmetrical triangle. Let's go to the 15-minute chart, and as you can see, we've had a nice bounce, okay, from it. We've broken above it, and now we're getting a nice bounce. So will we come back in? Yes, this is a possibility, because my liquidation price is about $1, $1.05, I think. So it's very, very far away, and if Cardano comes down, I will be adding to my position so the liquidation price goes further back. I am very, very bullish on Cardano in the mid-long term. So yes, this is what I got for the technicals, guys. This looks extremely bullish. We should be getting supported around this area and going to the $2, which would be the target for Cardano. Let's take a look at Litecoin, guys. Litecoin, in my opinion, is just having a correction like the rest of the market, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most of other cryptocurrencies, except for a few like Cardano and Matic network. Matic is still getting a little correction, but is looking very bullish. I've been talking about this for weeks now, guys. We are in this huge channel. Okay, we can see the resistance point right over here and the support level right over here. So what can we expect for Litecoin? Well, as you can see, we have been breaking these highs every single time. Okay, but also something that I've looked, that we are breaking below, that it hasn't been acting as support. We've been coming straight below this the highs, and it's not been acting as support. So this one, as you hear, got broken right over there. Also this high, okay, once we broke it here, we came straight back down and it didn't hold as support. So this the same thing has happened right over here. We created this high, we broke it, and we break straight back down. So it seems like Litecoin, the highs that it doesn't want to act as support. It just breaks straight through it. So what can we expect? Well, just the same here. We've been creating like a downwards channel. I've been connecting the support and resistance points, and then going sideways and breaking to the upside, breaking the last highs. Okay, the same here. We broke the highs and then created this downwards channel. The same, broke out from the channel and now created this high. So what can we expect? Well, I'm expecting this, just a consolidation sideways, creating another channel here, and then eventually breaking to the upside and creating the same pattern, and finally breaking from this channel and going a little bit parabolic, because Litecoin hasn't gone parabolic. We haven't broken properly the last all-time highs, guys, for Litecoin. So this is what I think. Instead of breaking to the downside, this channel here is going to get broken sooner rather than later, because we've been a long time inside this channel on the logarithmic chart, and I don't think it's going to be to the downside. I think it's going to be to the upside. And what is the measured move? Well, the measured move for the breakout from a channel is getting the width of the channel. Okay, the impulsive move is getting the width of the channel, and from the breakout, okay, all depending on when it's going to happen, late May, say, this could take the Litecoin price to the $550 range approximately. Okay, if we break to the downside, yeah, we'll be going down to the $100. This is not going to happen, in my opinion. You know, we are going to get supported not by this support trend line. I think we'll be getting supported by some other support levels here that I'm going to show you now on the 1 hourly chart. Let's just take a look here at the 1 hourly chart so I can show you some different support levels. Right. Also, we did break from this level here, which has been a major support. Okay, major support right over here, and we can see it's been resistance, and this high over here resistance. So we've broken out, and as you can see, we've broken and we did get a bounce to the downside. We got rejected and it's been heavy resistance. This does look like a kind of head and shoulder formation. Okay, it's not the most beautiful one, but we can see, you know, this being the left shoulder, this being the head, and this being the right shoulder. Okay, this wick almost touched this area. You know, we've got major support clearly over here, and we've broken out and now retested. The measured move from this, okay, is, you know, getting the head all the way down. Let me just get here, getting the top of the head all the way to the support level. And from the breakout, guys, Litecoin can come as low as the 250, 260, okay, would be the conservative target. Okay, but I've got this orange box right over here that should hold nicely, which is at the $280. And this has been major support and resistance in the past. Okay, it's been major resistance right over here, and major resistance here. You know, we had a little fake out right over here, and then we finally broke out of it, and we had a nice bounce here as support. Okay, so the $280 range should hold nicely as support, and I don't think this target is going to be met, but yeah, we could see some more downwards movement for Litecoin in the mid short term. If this support level doesn't hold, I think, you know, the last support level is the $240 range. Okay, 240, 250, which would be the support from this huge ascending channel that I don't think is going to be broken. Okay, this is what I got for Litecoin. We are going to go sideways. Okay, we are going to check out, see if we are going to do like a channel here. Okay, for Litecoin, so we could probably see this, you know, kind of forming for Litecoin. So we are going to check this in the next coming days, bouncing it in between support and resistance, and we're going to look for a potential trade and a breakout to come to the upside here, in my opinion. This is what I got for Litcoin, guys. Let's take a look at Matic network, because Matic is looking extremely bullish. I did talk about Matic in some of my videos because I had this symmetrical triangle already, and I just want to show you how sometimes this simple technical analysis is sometimes so accurate. Okay, we can see this symmetrical triangle, the measured move, the width here at the back of this symmetrical triangle from the breakout, guys. We can see the exact target here being met from this pattern. But also I zoomed out, and this over here, you could see it as a bull pennant or a bull flag. Okay, in this case a bull pennant, and the measured move, okay, from a breakout of a bull pennant is getting the pole, okay, all the way down from the leg up, okay, which would be all down here. Okay, this impulse starts from down here and all the way to the top, and from the breakout, guys, which is there, you always put the pole down at the support level from the pennant, and we can see also that it's the target has been met almost exactly at the measured move. So what can we expect now for Matic? We can see that we also created a kind of bull flag here, a little bit too long. It was a downward channel here on the 1 hourly chart, but you could arguably discuss that this is also a leg up all the way up here to the pattern, and from the breakout, yeah, we actually went over this target. So are we creating another bull flag here, another downward channel? We're going to break to the upside. It does look like. Let's go to the 15-minute chart here for Matic. We are getting heavy bounce here from this orange box that I put here. We can see that we've touched 2 times here from this resistance point. Now, the sentiment of the market is looking a little bit bearish. So yes, we could break to the downside. We just had a massive wick over here, which I'm not going to count. We count this other ones, these few consolidation phases, and we are clearly have a resistance here in this downwards channel. Okay, so what can we expect for Matic? First targets from the breakout of this channel is getting the width of the channel, okay? And from the width of the channel, if we break down, or depending on when we're going to break down, this could take the Matic price all the way down to 80 cents if we break to the downside. If we break to the upside, we could go to the $1.28, $1.26, okay, would be the conservative target, okay, here on the 15-minute chart. You could arguably discuss that this is also a bull flag, and the measured move here is getting the pole into the flag, and from the breakout, okay, remember the pole, you put it at the support level, and this could take the Matic price, the Polygon price, all the way to the $1.40, $1.36 to be conservative here from this breakout. First of all, first target would be the measured move from the width of the channel. Okay, guys, this is what I got for Matic. Looking very bullish. It is an actual working scaling solution for the Ethereum blockchain. You can trade Matic at Binance. If you haven't got an account on Binance, if you use my link in the description, you'll be getting 10% on saving fees if you use my link on Binance Futures. This is what I've got for today's episode, guys. Remember, tomorrow I am doing a live stream at 4 p.m. Central European time. So I hope I see you tomorrow. Bring your favorite cryptocurrency. We'll be doing some technical analysis on the chart live. We might be doing a live trade also, guys. So make sure to come at 4 p.m. tomorrow, Friday, Central European time. If you haven't checked out the Bitcoinsensus website, make sure to check it out, guys. We've got the latest here, articles, technical analysis, price predictions, exchange reviews. Come here and check it out, guys, so you can get the best bonus also and the best fees on different exchanges. Massive thank you for tuning in, guys. Make sure to check out my PrimeXbt or my Bybit tutorial popping up on your screen, guys. If you do not know how to trade, I've got excellent tutorials for you, and I'll see you tomorrow.